that year. In front of the ring, he knocked out Josh Lurin and Chris Fitzpatrick. He believed he will not be satisfied. So he's got a world championship belt around his waist and a win on August 19th. And this will be a big step for him if he can win this fight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Brooklyn, New York, Danny, the Miracle Man.
Wow. Oh, this is amazing, man. I'm truly blessed. God has been with me since day one, and I'm fortunate to be here and be able to have my own main event. I mean, 2 years ago, I was battling the wall, paralyzed in the hospital, battling cancer. So for me to come back 2 years later, and for me to headline a bout in Times Square, it doesn't get any better than that. For that reason, I'm blessed and I'm fortunate. Giovanni Rizzo is a tremendous fighter, very experienced fighter. I know he's going to bring it come fight night. And I look forward to a very stern test. We have a very great training camp, and come Monday night, I was going to say Saturday night. come Monday night, it's going to be a great show. You guys are going to be in for a tremendous show. And for $35 to start, you can't beat that. I encourage you all to come out and to support us, young up-and-coming boxers, because we are the future. We're going to make noise. And I thank Fox Sports 1. I thank Golden Boy. I thank everybody who played a part of this, because this is history in the making. And I'm just fortunate to be a part of this, to be able to say my son who's standing here right now that Daddy was a part of something special. Nate, I love you, Nate. Yeah. But I just want to thank everybody for coming out. This is going to be a tremendous card. I got my brothers here with me. Everybody's going to show up, and I know he's talking about the chin. He has a sturdy chin, but you can't hit what you can't see.
Can't hit what you can't see.
I have very good hands for speed, very good punching power. My knockout ratio is pretty much up there, just as much as he is. But Giovanni, it's going to be a real good fight, and I'm looking forward to it. So much respect to him and his camp, but